It's on. So here's a sneak peek of the next week's episode. Take a look at that.
Last night in my dreams, walking the streets of some old ghost town. I tried to believe in God and James Dean, but Hollywood sold out. Saw all of the saints, locked up the gates I could not enter. I walked into the flames, called out your name, but there was no answer. And now I know my heart is a ghost town. I know my heart is a ghost town. And now I know my heart is a ghost town. Heart is a ghost town. Died last night in my dreams. All the machines had been disconnected. Time started the wind, and all of my friends had been disaffected. And now I'm searching for trust in a city of rust, a city of vampires. Tonight, Elvis is dead, and everyone is red, and love is a satire. Now I know my heart is a ghost town. Now I know my heart is a ghost town. Heart is a ghost town. Now I know my heart is a ghost town. Now I know my heart is a ghost town. Heart is a ghost town. Now I know my heart is a ghost town. Now I know my heart is a heart is a ghost town.
So I just came down from a leg workout, right? So I'm wearing my compression pants. So basically what happened was I really think that I got an injured, guys. And there's something wrong with my right knee. Like I'm not able to, do any kind of pressing movements. I'm not able to squat. Like I was not having this problem with my leg press, but today I started feeling it on my leg press also. Like I just thought that this was some kind of a normal issue and it would go off with time. But this has been going on for the past 2-3 months, and I really think I need to do something about it. So I'm trying to go get this checked with the doctor, get an X-ray, because like when I'm squatting, like until I'm half squatting it is alright, but when I almost go to parallel or break parallel, like my right knee starts hurting a lot, and when I'm getting back up, it hurts really a lot. And even on the leg press, when I'm when my leg is not 90 degrees, it's okay. But the moment it comes close to 90 degrees, it starts paining a lot. So if you guys who are watching this, if you guys know anything about this, please let me know what to do, right? I think I need to get this checked before this gets even worse. So this is actually going to affect my leg training, because I don't know what I'm going to do. I think I have to do something like leg curls and do things which don't make me squat fully, right? So I think I have to substitute that for the meantime. But before that, I have to go get it checked. So just thought I'd let you guys know. And also, if you guys are having things like these, issues like these, I really think you need to go and consult it with the doctor as soon as possible, rather than just postponing it. So, I've been having this for 2-3 months, and I really feel that I should have done it long back. And now I'm going to do it. So yeah, I just thought I'd let you guys know. I'm going to go eat right now. I'll see you guys in the next clip. a spot decision, right? I was really bored. Like I wouldn't say bored. I've been working a lot, and I needed some me time. I need some time to relax and have fun. And I always like playing video games. So what I thought was I would order an Xbox One, and luckily Amazon had this Prime delivery, which would like deliver it in a single day. So yeah, I just got myself an Xbox One. I'm super excited, right? So I got the Tom Clancy's The Division version of the Xbox. So they gave me a free game series with that. So I'm gonna go do some Xbox unboxing right now. I'm super excited, guys. I'm like really excited for this. Let's go and open the Xbox. One, we got it right here. So I'm gonna go do some unboxing. So really hope you guys can hear me right now. So basically, I went to the doctor yesterday and I got my knee checked, but I don't think this is the problem was solved yesterday. So basically, he told me that it was just because I was squatting heavy and all these things, which I was not. I'm not even close to squatting heavy. But anyway, I think that the problem is something else. I feel that during some weight session, I put a lot of stress on my knees, and I think that is the problem. So I'm going to get it checked again with some other doctor, and hopefully he finds the real problem out. So until then, I have to take it slow on the legs. I won't be able to work my legs as much as I want to. So this is going to really cause a problem for me for some time until I get this problem sorted out. But I already told you guys that I'm going to compete and I'm going to start my prep seriously. So my prep will start in probably the next 2 episodes. I'm going to start a new series, and I'm going to document a lot of things. You guys will see that from now on the vlogs are going to be more more regular. So this means I'm getting serious, and like this whole knee problem is not going to do anything with my prep or my competition or whatever. Hopefully I'm going to do a men's physique show, so this will actually at least if it was bodybuilding, like, I have to put a lot of pressure on my legs, but because of this I can take it slow on my legs. So yeah, the competition will probably be around June. The federation in which I'm competing, they have not given the dates out for the show. So hopefully when they do, I'll let you guys know. But it is somewhere in the June 2nd week. So yeah, so this is just the update regarding the prep, my knee and all these things. எடுக்கலாமே
Everything is